So before this video gets started, if you want to sign up for a brand new company that just got $1.5 million in funding, they're giving more funds to drivers, more protections to drivers, benefits to drivers. If you ever get in a car crash, if you ever get hospitalized, if you ever get sick, you will keep your income as an Uber and Lyft driver for any gig apps. They're sending same day transfers, money transfers. If you ever get deactivated, they'll help you get your account back. They are awesome. The company is called Cover, and all these benefits and protections start at $7 a month. However, if you use my link, because they're a brand new company, there's a special offer. You'll get 30 days for free. You'll get full access to all this stuff, so you can try it out, no risk, no commitments. No annual contracts, none of that. You'll get your first 30 days for free if you use my link in the description down below to sign up for Cover to get you covered. Okay, now let's get on to the video. This is breaking news. Uber CEO warns of a month-long shutdown in California if they have to reclassify drivers as employees. If you don't know what's going on right now, this is absolutely crazy. This has never been happened before in history. In the past, it was just like, oh, Uber and Lyft, you should make your drivers employees. No. This week, the California government says, Uber and Lyft, you have 10 days to make your drivers employees, or else you cannot function. So, Uber CEO says, all right, well, we're gonna shut down for months if that is the case. So make sure to subscribe because you do not want to be missing out on all of this news. Let's get right into it without further ado. Again, if you want benefits as a gig worker, you better sign up within the next 9 days for Cover because you do not want to be missing out on these benefits. Here we go. Uber CEO, California ruling could force a months-long shutdown. A November ballot initiative will let California voters decide Uber's fate. That's the Uber CEO right there. His name is Dara Khosrowshahi. Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi is warning that a landmark California ruling on the employment status of its drivers could force the company to shut down its service in California until November. What's the date today? August. We got August, September, October, November. That's 3 months, guys. We think we comply by the laws, Khosrowshahi has, but if the judge in court finds that we're not, and they don't give us a stay to get to November, then we'll have to essentially shut down Uber until November when the voters decide. Last year, so basically, the only way that they can stay open is if they comply with law, and at this point, you know, in 7 days, they're going to have to either make everyone employees or shut down because they will be basically going against the law. And if you go against the law, then you're criminals. A state court confirmed on Monday that the new law applies to Uber and gave the company just 10 days. They are not messing around, guys. 10 days to give drivers more money. Uber is hoping that an appeals court will block enforcement of the order while the case proceeds. After the law passed last year, Uber, Lyft, and DoorDash spent more than $100 million gathering signatures for a voter initiative. 100 million bucks? Why not give all that money to drivers? We could have used that money in our pockets to pay off our cars that we're using to drive for Uber, Lyft, and DoorDash. A big change. A big change? Yes, we want spare change. You're giving us spare change. Uber, paying your drivers spare change. Give us more money. Under the current model, Uber drivers decide when, where, and how much to work. This makes it convenient. If Uber were required to treat its employees as employees, it would likely have to exert more control over its workers' routes and schedules, refusing to let them work if there wasn't enough demand to earn a minimum wage. Wow, that would suck. You're playing a game of chicken, Khosrowshahi argues, that making drivers employees would require such extensive change to Uber's business that it would have to shut down the service. Guys, this is absolutely crazy. Uber could basically be shutting down. So if you drive for Uber right now, this is not good because, you know, you could be potentially shut out of work if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver. I'm an Uber driver and Lyft driver in California, so I'll be updating you guys, you know, daily until we figure out what to do. So make sure to subscribe because, again, I'm an Uber driver and Lyft driver in California. This directly applies to me. I don't know any other YouTuber who is an active Uber driver and Lyft driver in California, so I know a lot of the other YouTubers don't really drive and they just kind of report on news and media. I'm out there driving. I made a video last week where I went out and drove Uber. I made a video this week where I did Postmates. I did Uber Eats. I'm doing Grubhub next week. I'm doing DoorDash next week. I'm out there in the fields with you guys. You know, I'm on here firsthand, and I'm gonna be relaying this news. So this is absolutely crazy. Check out the links down below in the description. There's a lot of helpful links out there to get money. There's a company called Cover that just is now doing paid time off to drivers. If you want paid time off, sign up for Cover. They're replacing your income 80% if you ever get in a car crash. You know, there are things that do help, you know, gig workers right now. They have 24/7 telehealth. There's a lot of good things with Cover, but other companies too. So check the links down below. But guys, look at this. I mean, this is crazy. While shutting down in California for almost 3 months would be painful for Uber, it could focus voter attention on the issue to help boost public support for Uber's ballot initiative. Yeah, in my opinion, guys, Uber doesn't need to shut down. Basically, the Uber CEO says, well, you know, we need to shut down to, you know, convert all our workers to employees. Honestly, I think it's BS. I think they're just shutting down so when the ballot comes out in November, people will vote for Uber's side. Uber just sent me a notification today to vote for them. They created the ballot, so like they're trying to get everyone to vote for them. So I think right now they're kind of just using a negotiating tactic and say, well, if we don't get our way, we're shutting down, we're leaving. It's honestly like, I feel like I'm dating my ex-girlfriend right now. she's like, well, you know, we're gonna have to be, well, actually, Uber is like playing, they're kind of playing my game. Usually this is what I do in relationships. They want to stay independent contractors. Usually I'm like, nah, I don't want to be exclusive. Let's just, you know, be friends. And California's like, nah, we got to be employees. We got to be official, exclusive boyfriend, girlfriend. And Uber's like, well, if you want to do that, then we'll just F off. So low key, Uber's playing like the dick, like the douchebag role in the relationship. And the government's playing like the girlfriend who wants to, you know, be exclusive. So anyways, guys, this is a whole crazy mess. I never thought that it would come to this. But anyways, yeah, make sure to like this video. Helps me out a ton. If you drive Uber, Lyft, any of the apps, please give the video a big thumbs up. I'd appreciate that. It supports me as a creator, helps out with the YouTube algorithm, helps me just be able to make actually videos. If we don't get thumbs up, then just leave the video thumbs up. I'd appreciate that. And also subscribe. I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day. Stay safe out there, please. And yeah, until next time, I'll let you guys, hopefully next time I'll still be an Uber driver, and hopefully by next time I won't be, you know, living out on the streets because I can't pay my rent. Right now it's great because if I can't pay a bill, I'll just go out and, you know, do one of the apps to pay off that bill, but hopefully soon that luxury doesn't go away. So anyways, guys, I will talk to you all soon. Have a great day. Stay safe out there. Bye, guys.